your shirt off. Is that what she said?
Yeah.
She showed me, like, last time she wore it was on a cruise, like, 2 years ago.
Can she hear me when I talk?
Yeah, I think so, maybe just a little.
Oh, okay. I feel it right now.
What's up, Becky? Good morning.
You're
It's 5:30 in the morning.
Right on the heater.
It's 5:30 in the morning. Do you know where your children are? No, how does it go? Do you know where your kids are?
It's like, yeah, leave.
It's 5 a.m. Do you know where your children are at? It is 5 a.m.
kids. Who was she going?
Is it 20? No, that is 5:30 a.m. Do you know where your children are?
5 o'clock in the morning. Where you gonna be? Outside on the
As minhas já estão dormindo, né?
Então, elas estão dormindo, estão bem cansadas já. Look at this hot Meredith Hall over there. Hot Meredith Hall. Nice job. Because I have dogs doing.
You can't take a picture. Yeah, you can.
Ah, Meredith, you look so awesome.
Can I take it or what?
I'm not taking the picture.
Videotaping this? Wait, he's videotaping you, Meredith. Wait.
You just got served.
He was videotaping you.
Yeah.
Bota freio aí, macaco.
Bota play, macaco.
What's a play, macaco?
Bota play, macaco.
Bota o play aí pra ela assistir.
What's a play, macaco? I say it right. I say it right, guys.
Yeah.
What's
Say,
a play, macaco?
say, dá o play, macaco. Say, dá o play, macaco.
Dá o play, macaco.
Eu sei, eu sou
Eu sou
tabacudo.
tabacudo.
Eu sou um tabacudo.
Eu sou abacatudo.
Tabacudo.
Cacabududo.
Não. Tabacudo.
Tabacudo.
Eu sou um
Eu sou
mamão.
mamão.
Meu nome é
Meu nome é
Jeca.
Jeca.
Sei, eu vou
Eu vou
aprender
aprender
a falar
a falar
português.
português.
Porque eu sou
Porque eu sou
um cabra
cabra
danado.
danada.
Não,
Estoy más guapo que todos los otros en todos al mundo. Gato.
Jerry, now repeat after me.
Pero mis huevos con tu lengua porque tu boca es muy suave, amigo, amiga. Amigo o amiga es no bueno portiga.
You never know, there'll be people watching that, they understand what you said.
I can speak with experience and all y'all.
But now repeat after me. Eu sou.
Man, I don't know how to speak it. Yo soy más guapo.
No, just repeat. Yeah, I want to say that in Portuguese now. Eu sou.
Yo soy gostoso.
Very good. Say that again.
Estoy gostoso.
That's good.
Y adulto
Sim.
es mi amigo.
Okay. Very well. You know, so that's why we're gonna be together soon. Jerry Coffee.
Adulto Medeiros. Yeah.
This is Brandon Parks. Brandon Parks is the Mr. Rap Hip Hop guy
I'm not a
of
rapper.
Atlanta, Georgia. You're not
Producer.
producer.
Not
Okay,
producer.
sorry. You know, so what are you?
Somewhere
Then?
in between.
I'm an engineer.
Oh, okay. So that I know that now. Sorry. I actually knew that before.
I'm the unimportant guy in the room. When you your favorite song that you heard, I'm the guy that made it sound good. But
Yeah.
I'm saying all I get is my name on a piece of paper inside the CD cover. Except for nobody buys these no more, so you won't see my credits on the MP3 download. So that makes me even more of a nobody. You
Good
dig?
job.
I love what I do.
Fever. Fever all the time, Robert. Fever. You give me fever. Tell Mary that her West Egg jacket is really hot on her. Her West Egg, no, it is. Her West
I
Egg.
thought it said rest on it.
Her West Egg shirt is really hot on her. You give me fever.